project car. Okay, I'm still pretty confused at which gears I have to be on. Yung soul ko kinakalampag. I'm just talking. And if you're still watching, what the frick are you doing with your life? It's December 26th and it's a Sunday, so we're going out on a drive. Let's go! Drive around. I want to show you our new camera set. Ayan, so the GoPro and the Insta360. So, hi vlog, that's you! Grabe glow up. Ay, naka-gear pala. Good morning, neighbors! Well, gas is below 60 plus na ulit ng kakapiranggot. So, that's good. It's not 60 nice anymore, but 50 nice. Okay, so it's my first time to try the 360 without assist. So, bear with me. Ayan, mag 360 reverse tayo. Hello guys. Welcome back. So, let's do this vlog like my first... Oops! Like my first vlog na magsasalita lang tayo habang nagmamaneho. Wait a minute. Let me get into it first. There's a lot of new sounds. The car feels good. Wow, the world is shaking. Okay, let me get used to this first before anything else. Okay. So, hello vlog! Welcome to... Okay. I think nasabi ko na. Ay, wait lang. Ano ba yan? Teka lang. Ulit. I am so gone. So, today is December 26 and parang hindi pa naman ganun ka-traffic. So, I thought now we can go drive today. Mabilis na naman tayo, pero anong takbo? 60. Kaya naabutan tayo stoplight. Ganun. Okay, 30 tayo. Wow, maka 360 camera tayo. Excited na ako makita ni Chaba niya mamaya. But yeah, since the first vlog, sobrang laki na ng pinagbago ng Lancer. Ang dami nang nasira, ang dami nang na-project car stuff. So, if you can look sa likod, yung rear glass, may tint pa. Kasi nabasag yung rear glass natin sa Katipunan last time. Cue Megumin exploding sounds. Let's get the speed first. So yung Megumin na peaker, diba? You remember I showed it to you before. Sumabog siya with the rear glass here along Katipunan, maybe over there along Katipunan flyover probably. Now we have rear glass again, which is why I'm so happy. At least na solusyonan agad yan. Ang tagal bago nakabit kasi hindi magkatugma-tugma yung mga schedules namin to, you know, DIY the rear glass. Yung front right bushing na umuuga na, napalitan na rin yon. So yeah, the car feels so good. We're running 15s now. So yung sinundo natin na wheels from Tatang Works a few vlogs ago, it's mounted and we're on triangle na tires. So eco tires, China eco tires, and we're gonna feel it out today. So far, bumigat yung manibela kasi 15s na tayo eh. The car is tracking straighter now, if anything. People are asking why I went from yung wasto na 13s na mesh, na ginto, on this car, to 15s na, hindi ko alam, may marami nagsasabi hindi bagay. But the reason for that is, the gear ratios were too short, thereby making it slow. Tsaka imagine mo ilang revolutions yung 13s na yun bago ka makarating sa desired speed. So yeah, the car is faster now just because we're on 15s. The gears feel better matched to 15s, I guess. Mas malayo yung travel mo sa isang ikot ng gulong basically. Red Lancer. Oh, that's a cute bike. Hello. Oh my God, like, every time I point out something now on the road, you can just, you know, move around and see it. Ang dami ng kalampag! Okay, we don't need to drive fast naman. Sunday drive-in. Hindi lang ako sanay sa pace ng linggo. Just chill. Hindi ko alam na gigigil ako sa cute ni Lancer, and we haven't gotten to drive this for how long? A few weeks then. I haven't driven this car since the last vlog kasi nga wala siyang rear glass, diba? So, maybe 2-3 weeks already. So yeah, I'm seeing newer things to replace and modify. Parang for something so slow, why is the rear squatting so much? So we need to change the leaf springs and stuff, and I'm so excited, and we're gonna do that slowly next year. Dahan-dahan lang, chill lang, hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. Woo! The car feels so good, like I cannot. And in anticipation for like the more fun to drive na Lancer, we got the transmission. Yay! Iyan si Ilo. So yung Mimi, pinangsusundo ng car parts. Sa tanong, KM123 pa, tama ba yun? So we got a KM123 or KM113. Basta we got that one. Editor, pakisingit na lang kung ano man yun. So 5-speed na, and yung reverse hindi na pa ganun. So I'm super excited for that. This car's just gonna keep getting better, and it's gonna be fun to drive on Sundays. This is so therapeutic. I forgot how fun it was to drive on Sundays. Okay lang pala. Nail lang ako sa gear ratios. Again, kasi ang tagal ko nga hindi na-drive. We've been driving modern-er cars for the past few days. I haven't gotten to drive the Civic also, actually. Dahil sa busy sa holiday rush. We've just been driving the Mini and the BRZ. Oh my God, gusto ko mag-fifth gear? Wala ngang fifth gear! January 2021, Che wouldn't think that I'd be driving something so fun ngayon. And because of the Lancer, we met so many new friends. Nakakatuwa lang. I'm in love with this car. Yung kilig ko nung day one, ito pa rin yung kilig ko hanggang ngayon. Except I'm slightly more familiar lang with the car. Yun lang ang only difference. Let's get coffee, I guess, sa... nga ba? Wala, ang weird it's Sunday today, but I haven't seen any fun cars that are out and about. Grabe! Gusto ko mag fifth gear! Walang fifth gear! Yung fourth gear, sobrang taas pa ng RPM, and we're not really moving fast. Right now, we're 60, 70, and tunog fast lang siya. Pero alam nating hindi. Ang sarap ng feeling na may car ka na just for fun. Yung fun lang, yung wala kang hinahabol. Ang sarap. We're logging in. So yeah, with this build, we're gonna do it slowly. We're slowly gonna install the transmission. We're gonna do camber plates sa harap, tsaka shocks. Yung uprated na leaf springs, we're gonna mount it. Okay, I'm still pretty confused at which gears I have to be on. Ang sarap niya, oh my gosh. This is so nice. Actually, parang walang tao today. Maybe we can just go back to Katipunan. Okay, we can U-turn sa Mimi and Bros na lang and then get coffee elsewhere. Ito pala weird. Again, when I'm in Tulo. When I'm in the Lancer, it's easier to be friendly kasi you're a freaking hot dog. So, wala lang, nice lang. Pag again, yung kay EG, ano ba yun? Sobrang baba. I'm so confused. Parang nasabi ko naman na lahat ng trip kong sabihin. There are the nice cars, R8 and a Porsche. Ayun, walang tao today sa Grams. Do I wanna go inside? Do we wanna go inside? Wag na, uwi na lang tayo. I just really wanna drive around today. So, again, sinama ko lang kayo. Thank you for joining me in my random drive. Wala tayong nakitang friends. Medyo sad. So the car is so much nicer na to drive. Talaga. It feels more dailyable na ng konti. Just because of the bigger profile, bigger wheels. Hindi na siya katulad nung nung una, ang sama ng pakiramdam sa suspension because the profile was too thin. And yeah, the gear ratios were too short on the 13s na talagang ang bagal natin. So I am so happy with the new wheels and tires. I feel like a new person. Reborn, ganun. So ito pala the brakes. They're still kind of vague. I don't know if ganun na talaga ang buhay drum brake. So I don't know. I hope not. I hope it gets better. But yeah, baka we'll adapt this brakes na lang, I think. Something na 4x114. Probably a Honda. So yeah, I want brakes. I want better brakes if anything. Actually, yun ang pinaka-important sa akin aside from tires, the brakes. Kasi it's easy to go fast but it's hard to slow down. I can slightly start heading to Temple Drive now pala. Yes! 4G33, let's go! Hindi, joke lang. Chill tayo. Our brakes are really very vague. Minsan pag apply mo, parang lulusot pa siya. So, better brake as early as you can na lang. I'm just so happy. I've always wanted to drive old school regularly. And now we actually have the chance to. Tuloy-tuloy na to. Tuloy-tuloy na to hanggang sa 2022. We're gonna slowly work on it. We're gonna keep building. We're gonna keep driving. And ganun lang. Project car never ends. And you really don't have to let anyone tell you the pace of your build. Ikaw na bahala doon. Just enjoy every part of it. Every sira. Every new thing. And ganun lang. Guys, honestly, this car, it feels like a mental health project car. Yung lang, pampag-good vibes lang talaga. I think that's what I meant by I love this car in the sense na wala hinahabol na oras in terms of build deadline. Wala akong hinahabol na oras as a race car or whatever. And it just feels good to me na I'm allowed to have something like this. Isa pang ikot ng Katip. I forgot how fun it is to just, drive around and not have a destination in mind. Hindi naman to not have a destination in mind. Kinalimutan ko lang na gusto ko magkape. And I wanna keep driving pa before we actually stop. So yeah, a little bit more for my heart, for my soul. Oh my God! Ang sama ng kalsada. Parang sobrang grabe yung kalampag ng yung soul ko kinakalampag. I didn't know na it would be so fun to record the car adventures lang or mag-drive lang tayo tapos nagkakwentuhan tayong ganito. So yeah, I hope 2022 you guys would keep joining me. Sama kayo when I drive. Maybe we can have grid vlogs next year. Okay, mag-ano naman tayo, sentis to. I think ang life lesson ko this 2021 is, it's okay to work on yourself. It's okay to do selfish things. I feel like my soul is at peace na I get to drive this around na ganun-ganun lang. Oh my God, the R8 and the Porsche are here from BGC. Andun sila. Dito pala sila nagkakape. I feel like I'm in a good place. I mean, the sad never really goes away. But it's the living with it and having fun as much as you can. But getting a difficult project car, ayun lang yun. I feel like the Lancer will be a seat time car for me, but more of driving on the road seat time than racetrack seat time. Wala lang. 2021 is the year of, I don't know, self-discovery, ganun. Being selfish ng konti. Self-love, ganun. Oh my God. I'm kind of dreading though having to take out the rear tint. Kailan ko kaya gagawin yan? Actually, let's do a Q&A vlog while I remove that tint if you guys want. So if you have questions, comment it down below and we're gonna answer it on the next vlog or maybe the next vlog. Oh, shutter go. come on, come on. Make it. Yes, I made it. Oh, ang bigat. We have so much more power now. Rather, hindi naman sa power, but we can carry so much more momentum. It powers out easier, and yun lang, I can't light the tires on fire. I guess the car is really too light to, light the tires on fire, overwhelm it. Ano kaya yung squeaky sound? It sounds like a belt sound. Oh, it's the brake pedal. Okay, ngayong nakaika tayo, I'm more confident now to drive it. Ayun na naman yung R8 and yung Porsche. Just going around, making my way around town. I feel like I'm so hyper. The car is getting to me. I feel like this is a good pace. I feel like ito yung ito yung pace ng Lancer. This pace. Kanina I was just kind of having a hard time talking with a much slower pace. May coins yung cigarette hold. Yun yun? Ashtray. May coins tayo sa ashtray, kaya pala maingay. Medyo sad. Wala akong nakitang friends ngayon driving outside. And I was expecting to say hi to a few friends, but I guess tayo lang mag-isa ngayon sa kalsada. But yeah, magkasama naman tayo. Diba vlog? I love you guys. Kilig siya. We're just waiting for the stoplight H to H. Guys, do what makes you happy. Yun lang masasabi ko. Ayun lang. So let's go. Go. Are we green? Let's go. Gusto ko ng LSD dito, parang bagay. So, last hump, and I think we're good. Oh, was that another hump? I did not know. Today was so nice. So let's just park the car. I'll get some coffee and we can end the vlog there. Okay, this is our stop. That's it. That's 2021 for you. Thank you guys for joining. GoPro, you can stop recording now. GoPro, stop recording. 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 Hala, ayaw mag-stop. GoPro, stop recording. That's it. Thank you for joining me in my solo fun run. Sunday fun run. Driving. This baby has been super nice. So I'm so excited for 2022. We'll get it driving tighter, faster, and more reliable, I hope. So, yun lang. Braps. Here's what the new wheels look like. Ayan. Oops. He looks so good. He looks like a Tomic. I don't know.